Hello everyone, I am Marcela Erazo, and now I developed some exercise that 7 final exam of Phonetics and Phonology. First step is reading. Okay, let's start. Emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and clearly direct at cues by someone or some circumstance. Positive emotion includes joy, pride, relief, joy, love, and compassion. While most share positivism and joy to others, by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotion include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, sadness, envy, and disgust. Second step is minimal pace. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, rod, kite, knife, take, steak, coat, coat, pin, pin, tail, pail, teach, teach, they, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, duck, book, date, bite, toll, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tot, coat, town, gum, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tack, gag, table, gable, thing, fin, tie, tail, fail, thumb, fan, tick, big. Third step is intonation. Statements with one stress. She works without it stop. Statements with two stress. Tom is reading. Mike sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with three stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with white flower stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you broke yesterday. Special question, falling intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you reading this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Requires rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she reading books in the morning or at night? Will you try to it today or tomorrow? That question feeling a rising intonation. You don't know then, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and 2 tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. Thank you so much. This is Jorge.